Well, political news now. And the BJP held a meeting today in Panchkula, attended by the Home Minister, and Amit Shah then spoke on the upcoming elections and said the BJP will be contesting these elections alone and will contest under the leadership of Chief Minister Saini. Remember, Chief Minister Saini recently took charge. The Home Minister was also confident on the third consecutive Haryana win for the BJP. State elections are due before October.
हम पूर्ण बहुमत के साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, नायब सिंह सैनी के नेतृत्व में हरियाणा की जनता का हम विश्वास।
भाजपा ने तो आज की है, हमारी तो शुरुआत पहले से ही है। लोकसभा चुनाव में हमने दोनों के लिए शुरुआत कर दी थी, लोकसभा के लिए भी विधानसभा के लिए। उससे पहले भी स्टेट में हम घूम रहे थे और पार्टी, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि हमारी पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी आने वाले समय। भाजपा को तो 10 साल मिल चुके, लोगों ने देख लिया।
The BJP leadership held a meeting at Panchkula where we have seen the Home Minister Amit Shah had taken the meeting of the state leadership. What we have learned from the leaders from all the 90 Vidhan Sabha constituency, they have been called at the Panchkula where the state and central leadership, they held a marathon debate to form a political strategy for the upcoming Vidhan Sabha election, which are scheduled to be held in the month of October. So let's see that what type of political strategy they have made and what type of impact it will be leaving on the voters of Haryana. But what we have seen, most of the leaders say they have done a lot of development in Haryana, and that will be one of the strength of the BJP to go to the public for getting and electing the third time BJP in the state. What we have seen, the Home Minister has given a very strong statement saying that this time the BJP is not going to forge any alliance with any party in the state of Haryana. At the same time, he says the election will be fought under the leadership of the present Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini. So let's wait and let's see what type of political strategy the BJP is going to adopt for upcoming election in the state of Haryana. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Gurpreet Singh Sheena for NDTV, Panchkula, Haryana.